Hello and happy new year. It's been a hot minute since I posted anything. Like almost a month, I think. Um Life happens. The holidays approached and then I rearranged my office. And then the beginning of the month, it's now January 13th, I think. My husband got the flu and then, sharing is caring, so he passed it on to me and I'm still not 100% better yet, but I didn't want to not record, especially today. I did a grocery overhaul and I want to show you what I got because I'm so excited. In the past month or so, I've gotten ideas for many more fun, delicious, bomb diggity freaking healthy recipes. So you and I are going to be getting and or staying healthy together. That's what this channel is all about, healthy foods and happy moods. If you're new here, hello, my name is Corinne and I show you how to make healthy shit. So that's what it's all about and that's what I'm going to be doing. Now, normally, if you've seen any of my previous videos, I'm all organized and I have a majority of my ingredients all laid out in front of me. But this year and this approach, I want to keep it more real. I don't want to be all super duper proper because that is not how I roll. I'm going to be more myself. If I come up with a cool idea for a meal, I'm just going to freaking turn the camera on and start recording for you because that's what I want to do. And like what I eat in a day type shit. You know what I mean? Just to kind of keep you posted and again to hopefully give you some ideas for how to cook, what to cook, groceries to get, and how I plan my crap. I have ADHD, especially when it comes to in the kitchen. I love to cook and I love to play in the kitchen, but I'm not always as organized. So that said, I'm going to be keeping it real for you and just showing you what the hell I have going on. For example, what I do before I go grocery shopping is I will make a menu. So I make out a menu and then I go grocery shopping and I get all sorts of goodies to put these meals together. And I don't plan any meal any particular day of the week. I just freaking do it for whatever I'm hungry for and whatever veggies or fruits might be going bad quicker. Yeah, that's the right way to say that. That said, I'm going to show you all this delicious crap I just got, and I'll be showing you one of my go-to favorite breakfast dishes, and also what I had for dinner just last night. And I'm feeling healthy. I'm actually down 6 pounds since the beginning of the year. It's only been 2 weeks, but having lack of appetite because of the flu kind of, was a culprit there. But also, the foods that I'm eating are not processed, and they're not full of stupid bullshit refined sugar. They're healthy. I want to get my health in check, and especially having the flu after not getting sick for literally 4 years, it was kind of a wake-up call to just get my ass in even better shape and to get healthier. So, if I can be helping you out in the meantime, here we are. Thanks for watching. Check out all these groceries. All right, we're going to start over here on this side. Red grapes, whole wheat, this fancy pantsy linguine whole wheat pasta, a bunch of sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, unsweetened almond milk, rolled oats, some all-natural peanut butter, pickles, pickle relish, lentils, strawberries, tofu, carrots, Brussels sprouts, a bunch of apples because yum, and these are my favorite. And all of this is from Aldi, by the way. Look at this freaking spread, okay? I lucked the flock out. And a hair clip, but I didn't get that at Aldi. We're just going to put that aside. Zucchini. I got miso, which I've never tried before, but I've watched some recipes and it looks really freaking good. So we're going to be incorporating that, and I'll be showing you what the hell I'm doing. And I found a recipe for Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. I could eat them all by themselves, but the flavor, the sauce I found to cook them in, I can't wait. Cauliflower, a bunch of snap peas, a bunch of cuties, broccoli, bananas. Did I mention cauliflower? Because yum, carrots, blueberries, and look, I know it's not summertime yet, it's January, but I couldn't help it. So hopefully this bad boy is delicious. I don't know if I mentioned bananas because, again, scatterbrain, pineapple, and lemons because I've been loving half a lemon squeezed in my water. Yeah, because vitamin C and delicious and refreshing. So look at this big ass overhaul that I just got at Aldi. And again, the menu that I have planned, some of these meals that I'm throwing shit around behind me. See, I'm keeping it real. some of these meals I cannot wait to share with you how I'm going to be making them. And they are, for the most part, whole food plant-based recipes. So this is why I got all of this, and I've already put my frozen shit away, so I don't want to bust that back out to show you. So that's what I did. And then, speaking of what I eat in a day kind of thing, let me show you my favorite, like, I'm obsessed with lately breakfast, which is basically a bowl of oatmeal. Well, here, let me just show you. Like I mentioned, I have been loving starting my day out with a big ass cup of water with some fresh lemon juice in it. So that's exactly what I'm doing, rolling it up a little bit to kind of loosen up the membranes and get it all juicy. And now I have the other half in my little cute container for tomorrow. And my favorite part, the oatmeal, well, one of my favorite parts, about 3/4 cup of rolled oats, about a half a scoop of my favorite vanilla protein powder. And then I'm also adding chia seeds and some ground flax, about a teaspoon of the chia seeds, and my ground flax, about the same thing. You know, you gotta throw the freaking cover in the oatmeal first. You have to do that. So yeah, teaspoon. And then this part right here, about 2 tablespoons of this PB2 powder, peanut butter powder. It's peanut butter without all the fat. Oh my god, it's so good. Game changer. And then I add a crap ton of water because all of that's going to thicken up very nicely. So you gotta have it kind of watery. So I gave it a stir, got rid of all the clumps, and then put it on the stove and let it cook. And in the meantime, while that's cooking, I'm gonna get all my little fruits that I wanted to eat ready. So I went in with 2 little cutie oranges, mandarins, whatever the hell you want to call them. I love them. They're my favorite. And they're kind of fun to peel. And then I went in with a banana because yum and potassium and just filling and delicious, and I love them. And so cut that up along with some fresh pineapple that I chopped up the day before because yum, and it's so full of vitamin C. All of this has helped me get healthier, and I'm loving it. It makes me feel good. So I applied this to my face, and then boom, now the oatmeal is done. See, look, it got all nice and thick. Thick is good. That's what she said. So I poured that into my bowl, topped it off with some fresh pepitas, raw pepitas, whatever you want to call them, and applied that to my pie hole. And this meal was awesome, and I eat it like every day lately. It is so filling and so delicious. I ate that when my body was finally hungry, like around, I think, 11 a.m., and I didn't eat again until 5:30 when I was actually hungry again. Speaking of, this is what I had for my dinner. Check this out. I had a bunch of fresh veggies that I had already chopped up a day or two prior. So I had some romaine lettuce that I keep in my container with paper towels because it keeps the moisture away, and moisture is the enemy. So I put that in my little container, and then I also added some fresh cucumber. You have to say it like that. And then I also added some fresh red pepper, which is full of vitamin C. And then I also had some chopped, what the hell was that? Oh yeah, tomato. And then I also added some chopped up carrots and celery. And of course my pepitas because yum. And then I topped it off with this raspberry vinaigrette, which was quite tasty. And yeah, so anyway, I applied that to my face, and then I went in with my soup. Check this out. There's like 827,000 veggies in there, along with some ramen noodles. So that's what I heated up, but I wanted it to be a little bit more proteiny. Yes, that is now a word. So I opened up a can of chickpeas, drained them, rinsed them, added some to the bowl, heated that bitch up in the microwave, and had that, and it was freaking delicious. If you want me to do a video on how I make this here soup, let me know in the comments below and I'll hook you up. It was quite tasty. And that was also super filling. And I have not been moving my body because like I said, I'm getting over the flu, which means I haven't done shit for exercising or weightlifting or anything. So I can't wait to get back into that. But sitting on my ass, relaxing and resting my body to get better just by eating foods like what I showed you on the counter behind me, I'm down 6 pounds, and I'm eating a lot of food. I'm eating stuff like what I just showed you. So again, I'm excited to show you the upcoming recipes. We're going to have fun. Oh, and on my website, healthyfoodshappymoods.com, I'll keep you posted because I'm going to be putting together some meal plans and some trackers and a whole bunch of fun crap for you that I'm excited about. So head on over there, see what I have going on already, and I will keep you posted for what's to come and how I make some bomb-ass healthy meals so you and I can get healthier together. So thanks for watching. Eat clean, live loud, and I'll see you in the next video.